So now we can finally graph that rational function. We've been working for a few sessions now. And so far, let's recall what we did. We figured out vertical asymptote, x equals 3, horizontal asymptote, y equals 1. We figured out x-intercept, -1, 0, and then y-intercept will be 0 minus 1/3. Then we also find out that we find out how the graph behaves around vertical asymptote. We figure out that on the interval of from -infinity to -1 gonna be above x-axis. Then the interval between -1 and 3 gonna be below x-axis. And then the interval from 3 to infinity going to be above x-axis again. So all we need to do is just to use few extra points and graph the function. And I chose a point from each interval. So if x equals -2, y will be, so I need to plug in -2 into the function. So that will be -1 over -5 will be 1/5. So point -2, 1/5. So it's going to be -2, 1/5 somewhere here. Then if x equals 1, and again, points are random, and I like to have as many points I can to be precise. You don't have to have all of those points, but we're just going to go over them quick. So if x equals 1, then y will be 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 3. So will be 2 over -3 will be negative, 2 over -2 will be -1. So 1 minus 1. So it's going to be right here. And you can kind of see that curve when it goes from, so it goes above x-axis and then crossing where the x-intercept is, then crossing where is the y-intercept is, and then that's the point we just figured out. So it's going to be that nice curve, and then going down from that point still, because remember on the interval -1 and to 3, it's still above x-axis. So next point, x equals 2. So y will be 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 3 will be 3 over -1, which is -3. So point 2 minus 3. 1, 2, 3 is right here. So getting into this point, and then goes down, and just remember it never crosses vertical asymptote, so you can leave it right there. Now if x equals 4, so that's the interval from 3 to infinity. Remember an interval from 3 to infinity is going to go above x-axis. So if x equals 4, then y will be 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 3, so will be 5 over 1, so will be 5. So if it's 4, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be somewhere here. And then I was thinking of 7, but I cannot fit 7. If x equals 7, I'm just going to calculate 7 plus 1 over 7 minus 3 will be 8 over 4, which is 2. So if it's 7, it's going to be 2, meaning the curve going to be nice and high, and it goes all the way that way. So that's the function, and it's completed.